Before the vacuum, early home cleaning.
Before vacuum cleaners, people relied on brooms, brushes, and carpet beaters to remove dust and dirt. Cleaning was a physically demanding, time-consuming chore, especially for large rugs and upholstered furniture. Dust would settle quickly, making homes difficult to keep clean. These methods often stirred up more dust than they removed, highlighting the need for a more effective solution.
The birth of the vacuum cleaner.
The first powered vacuum cleaner emerged in the early 1900s. Inventors like Hubert Cecil Booth and James Murray Spangler designed early models that used suction instead of sweeping to remove dust. These initial machines were bulky and expensive, but they demonstrated a new way to clean, one that was far more efficient than manual methods.
Bringing the vacuum home.
As electric power became common and manufacturing improved, vacuum cleaners became smaller, lighter, and more affordable. With brands like Hoover and Electrolux leading the way, the vacuum cleaner quickly found its place in households around the world. It was no longer a luxury, but a practical appliance that revolutionized everyday cleaning.
Changing standards of cleanliness.
Vacuum cleaners raised expectations for what a clean home should look like. Carpets and rugs could be kept much cleaner with less effort, which improved indoor air quality and overall hygiene. The convenience of vacuuming helped shift cleaning routines, allowing people to spend less time on chores and more time on other activities.
The lasting impact of the vacuum cleaner.
The adoption of vacuum cleaners transformed household cleaning and influenced modern living standards. Today's advanced models with HEPA filters and robotic technology continue to make cleaning easier and more effective. The vacuum cleaner's journey from invention to indispensable appliance shows how one breakthrough can change daily life forever.